Our coach of Portmore United, Phillip Williams. First of all, coach, congrats on the point. Probably not the result that you'd have wanted, but speak to us about your team's performance today.
Today was a very disappointing performance for us. I think we started flat, and that plagued us right through the game in terms of the energy that we played with. I think we're second to most of the challenges against Tivoli Garden team that was very hyped. Obviously, in approaching this game.
All right, so you guys remain undefeated. Like, what does that mean for you as a coach? Like, speak to us about your defense and the defenders that your team possesses.
Definitely. Defense start from all over the pitch, and we pride ourselves, yes, definitely, and keeping a solid defensive shape as shown based on the statistics. We haven't been beaten as yet, but we don't want to focus too much on that because it is their job to make it stay that way in terms of keeping or a clean sheet all day. But we need to start scoring some goals, creating more chances and putting them away, and that must be the focus going forward.
Yeah, speaking about creating chances, today Portmore United got the best chance of the game in the dying embers of the match. Speak to us about how you felt after missing that opportunity.
Very disappointed. As you say, at the time that we missed that chance, yes, we need to score. It doesn't matter the minute of the game, but to get such a chance at that time, which would have definitely won the game with no time leave on the clock, must be disappointed.
All right, and going forward, what can we expect from this Portmore United team? Can we expect an improvement towards the second half of the season, which is coming up?
It's a very long season, and definitely improvement is something that we want to do in all areas. So yes, our training sessions are geared towards us being the best we can, and there are a lot of things there that needs to be improved, and we're definitely working on it.
All right, coach, thanks for talking to us. Good day again.
Yeah, man, welcome.